everyone, my name is Yuvaan Prasad and you can call me Chiku. I am in Kindy 3-2. Today I want to tell you about my favorite teacher. Her name is Teacher Nan and she is the best. Teacher Nan is very kind and always makes us feel happy. She smiles a lot and makes learning fun. Every day she teaches us new things like numbers, letters, and stories. She makes sure we understand everything and helps us when we are stuck. Teacher Nan also does a lot of fun activities with us. We do arts and crafts where we make beautiful pictures and cool projects. She always tells us how great our work is and puts our artwork on display for everyone to see. It makes me feel so proud. She also teaches us to be kind to each other. She says that sharing and helping our friends is very important. Because of her, we all get along and play nicely together. Teacher Nan makes me feel special every day. She believes in us and always says we can do anything if we try our best. I feel very lucky to have her as my teacher. Thank you, Teacher Nan, for being so wonderful. You make school a happy place for me and all my friends. Thank you for listening and have a great day.